Hello, welcome today to my channel. Lee. Today I'm gonna cook mochi. I'm gonna make mochi homemade style. This is how I'm gonna do. I start with my pot, and I already steam my rice today. And now I'm just about to put my rice in the pot to mochi. This is mochi style. It is called Hmong style. Nên là do là tuần dọn lên nó nữa. When I make my sticky rice, set overnight, then steam it, it's ready to eat. This is apple short grain sticky rice. So I'm gonna use half of this to make a mochi, and I'm gonna save half of that to eat today. So all I do is just scoop to the pot. My pot, this pot is a mochi. Ooh, it's hot. Lần nói với mong lì vô tuần dọn lì cho là no. This is Hmong style. That's how we do our mochi. Our our grandma showed us how to do it. I still remember. Even I want to eat, I just get to eat. Do it and eat. You have to set the rice overnight in a steam. When it's cooked, just scoop it out. Put in the mochi machine. That's how we do when we eat. Thầu tết sẵn nên vừa lời bây giờ chịu tàu chú cho mò chỗ để ít mò thôi cho mò sẽ là và sẽ dù nó to lần ta chỉ dù mua cho lọt trâu họ lú lọc câuวันนี้ก็ตัวหน่อยsau cái đầu lú lọc câu là cái chỉ ra cho là nó when you put in the pot, you just turn in you just want your machine to pound. Let you pound like this. Thầu các sản năng dọn lê bấy mông một hoành dọn lê nhà luôn đồ thấu bây giờ tao ngủ lúc đa thia từ đầu tới giờ cho là tuổi bây mà tao nó chỉ bây giờ tao luôn đồ nhận nó bây giờ lúc chán nó nhìn qua tao rồi bây nó là chạy thở bây sáng nó bây giờ qua tàu đằng đầu lấy bây lúc chết xa rồi bây nó tên nó mất một chia rồi bây tê người tôi mình và chẳng tôi yêu rồi bây thì nó chỉ bao là kia bây không tăng tăng bây không còn nó có hầu nhàอยู่บริจาคcòn nó bây không hồ người tuân chúa so ilu chỉ mi bắt chế bây giờ là cơ sẽ đời nó nhận được sẽ đời vô tuần vô nó bắt chế bây giờ để chỉ bây giờ đời luôn nên là để bây chỉ hoặc là bây giờ nó thật thì bây bắt đầu this is every tradition Hmong tradition every Christmas around New Year time. Our great parents and our parents had to go do it for us for the New Year's celebration. But since we live in the United States, we can do it anytime we want, so we don't have to wait. It's so easy. As long as you remember how to do it. I still remember how to do it. I still remember it when I eat it. So I do it for my husband and for myself. And the kids don't know how to eat it. Let it keep counting until you feel it really soft. Yourself. Chọc này cái to đó bố. Không đưa nè, sao mà come on. Lấy gì khuyên dây ở đây cái gì? Okay, it's about to be ready. So I'm gonna go make the bowl ready. Prepare my mochi. That's how I'm gonna do my mochi.
No. นี่คือที่ซึ่งในประเทศลาวที่กลับมา
Okay, I think my mochi gonna ready, so I'm gonna put a little bit drip. Put a little bit drip oil on your hand, olive oil. And let me test. Okay, pound about 8 minutes. ตัวลีนาทีซึกอันนี้จังเลยตัวเราจะ turn up the machine, then use the bowl a little bit, not so much. I found out that you put a butter and actually we put an egg yolk or butter, but I found out that if you put it a little bit longer in the refrigerator, it smells. So I found out that do olive oil much better. That's why I do olive oil. Yeah, that's my mochi done. Now that's how I do my mochi. It's ready. It's really sticky, really hot. Well, you can wait until it cool it down. Go found out that hạt tiệm mua cho gì đông của cho người chỉ chịu pay. You có mua cây thiết và mua butter nếu mua ít cho chịu. Thầu có mua cho thì mà nó và người chỉ chịu pay. Có dân đấy đó họ tới dân là người chỉ chịu pay. Chỉ có thêm mua cho thì mà olive nó. Well, when I make my mochi, that's how I do. This is a Hmong style mochi. Do like this. I found out that use olive oil. You don't smell nothing. You can keep it longer for a week in the refrigerator, or you can put in the freezer. Still good to eat, not smell bad. When I use egg yolk or use butter for a week, your mochi will turn smell. Sticky to it. Back to it. And that's why I use olive oil. That's how you do yours. Make a circle and put in the aluminum like this, the cover. You can make a lot like this. Keep it in the freezer or keep it in the refrigerator. When you eat, you just make the outside crispy and eat it. Melt the sugar or eat dip it with honey. I prefer a honey. So every time, this is perfect for snacks. This is ready to eat too. If you want to eat, just eat like this. Make a ball. Eat. This is so sticky because it made from the real grain. Look at it. In Japanese, they used to make this mochi for make a food, make a soup. But in my culture, we don't do that. We just make a rice patty like this, make it crispy, and eat it. Don't make so big, just make little, enough for one person. And when I made it, I want some for myself. Nên nó cả được cái nên mua không cái khỉ là cái này và chạy vào nó xứ nên mua bên hộ John Blake block. For young kids out there, you want it, you know, you saw your grandparents or you see old people eat and you wonder how they make it. That's how they make it. They I don't make much. Every time I made like a 7, 8 should be enough for me, but because just nobody eat it, just for myself and my husband. Okay, that's all my mochi's done. I saved it this for me to eat. Okay. Có thích nét tìa thọ nét ua tao chân cho là nó chân nên mua chia có từ tìa nên mà mới cho tới về. Put in you want to cool down, put in the refrigerator or put in the freezer. It lasts for a couple weeks to eat. When you're done, just stick it in the plate like this. And when you're ready to eat, and you just put it ready to eat, put in the pan, make it crispy the outside, then dip with sugar. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. See you.